Good morning to all. Today our chapter is probability. Let me explain the chapter probability chapter. First going to experiment. We get different possible outcomes when we toss a coin or throw a dice or shuffle a pack of cards. Means these are the all experiment. When you toss a coin you will get head or tail. When you throw a dice, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for a shuffle or pack of 52 cards. An activity which we perform to get a result or an outcome is called the experiment. By performing an experiment, we may get different outcomes. Now tell me, what is experiment? An activity which we perform to get a result or an outcome is called an experiment. By performing an experiment, we may get different outcomes at different times. As such, every time when we toss a coin, there is a possibility of getting either a head or a tail. When we throw a die, there is always a possibility of getting any of the six faces. It can show either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. And then we shuffle a pack of card, we may get any of the 52 card. Either spade, this is the symbol for spade, or heart is red card, diamond also red card, looking there like this, and club. That means spade and club are black card, heart and diamonds are red card. Total number of card is 52. Out of 52 cards, 13 spade, 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 club. The total number of black cards will be number of spade, number of club. That is 13 plus 13, 26. A total number of red cards, that will be number of heart, number of diamond. 13 plus 13, 26. In this way, the division of cards are taking place. Generally, we use the following articles in examples and problems. First one is coin. There are two faces of a coin, one having the symbol of three lions is called head, and the other side where the value of the coin is mentioned is called tail. That means one side is head and one side tail. Let's come to die. A die is a cube. There are six faces of a die marked by the dots numbering 1 like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are engraved on the die in such a way that the sum of the numbers on the parallel faces is always 7. Is always 7. Let's come to the card. A deck of playing cards. There are 52 cards in a deck of playing cards. These are divided into 4 suits, each consisting of 13 cards. The 13 cards in each suit are: one is Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 number card, Jack, Queen, King. That means King, Queen, Jack, Ace card and number card 2 to 10. Here the division of card. Next come to the terms, related terms. What are the important terms are related? One is random experiment. One is random experiment. What is that? An activity which can be repeated a number of times under the same condition and whose outcomes cannot be predicted or determined in advance is known as a random experiment. Suppose when you are throwing a dice, we cannot tell what number will come. We can guess. Let us consider the following activities. When a die is thrown or rolled out, it will land with one of its six faces pointing upward, resulting in any one of the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 appearing on the top face. We call that is 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5 or 6 as an outcome of this activity. When you toss a coin, it may turn up either of the two ways, either head, that is H, or tail, T. So there are only two possible outcomes of this activity. Same process when you draw a card from a well-supported deck of a playing card. It it could be any of the out of 52 cards, maybe number card 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or ace card, jack, queen, or king. Event. An event is an expected outcome of an experiment. For example, when you toss a coin, we expect a getting head as an outcome. Then the outcome head is an event. Now, how to find the probability? The probability denoted by PE of the occurrence of an event E, which is equal to probability of an event E is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Okay. Suppose you will throw two coins. If two coins are thrown, what is the possible outcomes? Two coins are tossed once and find the number of outcomes. The number of outcomes will be total 4, either head head or head tail or tail head or tail tail. They are the possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes is 4. When 3 coins are tossed one by one, find the possible outcomes. That will be either triple head or 2 head 1 tail, like HHT or HTH or THH, or 1 head 2 tail, 1 head 2 tail. Okay, 1 head means like TTH or THT or HTT, 1 head 2 tail or triple tail. Then total possible outcomes will be 8. When 3 coins are tossed, the total possible outcomes will be. These are basic knowledge required before going to the exercise. Thank you for today's class. Next I will do the exercise part.